Wheel spin! Oh shit. Okay, that looks familiar. Oh, fucking dirty here. Nope. Okay, no more working this year. Come, let's go for one extra round. Just because we finished this year. Ah, perfect. And another extra round. Turn in reverse.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the night inning. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, here on screen. Okay, it's a dream, and I pray as a team. One day it'll be me. If I want it, then I'll get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push my...
Okay, so we just loaded the truck and we are going into an, for me, unknown adventure.
Sie erreichen Ihr Ziel 13:37 Uhr.
Nice. The construction site is totally new for me, but they already got a lot of stones from my brother and from my dad and from other truck drivers who are working for this company here. So I know it's a very muddy and dirty construction site, so I can guess we can take some nice shots. Yeah, and I have to go to the truck wash tomorrow anyway, so I don't care about it. I have to clean my whole truck. It's just the winter time is not the best time for trucks, and I usually clean it up completely every Friday. So okay, problem is that my GPS doesn't find the street because it's a complete new build area. It's not up here, right? I guess not. I guess it is the new build hall there. Yeah, okay, there are some signs from the customer. But what a lonely house. And it's for sale, I guess. Yeah. It's muddy. Wheel spin! Oh shit. Okay, that looks familiar to me. But it's so dirty. Fuck me up. I want to turn first, I guess. Oh.
Beautiful to me. In my mind sometimes I'll run away to this time back in history. She reminds me of the summertime, way back in 2003. Hey. I've been chilling on the coast with my homegirl, the palm trees and the time moving slow, girls. Back to my place, hey, you can call it home, girl. Pina coladas on tap, we alone, girl. I want a piece of you, you want a piece of me. Ray-Bans on, gotta block out the heat. I love your smile too, I've never felt so free. Bring it on, girl, work that body here to me. And I know that summer only lasts 3 months. Yeah, yeah. We got the whole world, travel with me, girl. And we'll never stop chasing the sun. That's right. On the run, we ain't done till we find what we want.
Dude, it's so fucking dirty here. Nope. Not better. Yep, I need to clean that up later.
Na, ich glaube Gen Alpha. Ich glaube irgendwie sowas. Gen.
So I just got a phone call, and actually this was the last trip for this year. We are not working tomorrow and not for the rest of the year. And actually I'm pretty happy about it. And of course the last construction site is very special. Not hot, but very dirty. Okay, no more working this year. Come, let's go for one extra round, just because we finished this year. Actually, I just want to get the dirt from my tires. Ah, perfect, and another extra round. Ah, even more. Let's turn in reverse. I'm just happy. Oh, what these people think if they saw me. I don't mind. Okay guys, thanks for watching, thanks for the support. If not, help me out and support the channel. Well, I got some videos in backup while I'm not working, so I guess it will be 2 or 3 videos every week. So thanks for watching, and we see us next year. Bye bye.